In this demo, we will demonstrate how Astera Centerprise can help businesses with data discovery. AI-powered profiling can instantly turn a raw set of tables into a structured data model, detecting keys, building relationships, and giving your schema shape without manual effort. Here, the model begins with entities, but no structure. By chatting with the AI agent, you can ask it to identify primary keys, foreign keys, and relationships between tables. Behind the scenes, the profiler runs automatically, analyzing the data to suggest the right keys and connections. As the AI applies these changes, the model is updated in real time, turning raw tables into a connected schema with the right structure for downstream use. The result? A clean, structured, and ready-to-use data model built faster and more intuitively with AI.